why I've taken so long. I would love to encapsulate everything that would go into drawing women, but there are a lot of things, especially since there are a lot of varied body parts, so I'm going to try to stick to some types of body types. It's probably a good idea to study the skeleton. So women typically have more body fat, and because the body fat can also be shown in the face, that's why sometimes women have softer, rounder faces and men can have squarer jaws and stuff. Of course, this does not apply to every woman and every man, but like I said, 3 minutes. With some muscular women, when they start doing like muscle training where they burn off all their fat, they start to have more square jaws and they lose all the body fat, including the chest area. So some of them do undergo plastic surgery. This is just information that I was told by my professor. Women and male hands tend to have like the male hands may be more square or something, such and such, whatever. It's kind of hard to remember all the tips off the top of my head. Another thing is to probably look at like body types and body shapes. But yeah, men are usually typically more square, I guess. I like to simplify the forms, like once I get like the basic anatomy stuff, I just simply kind of just draw the shapes. Like that's just me, just kind of loosely. It's not the perfect way to draw, but it's like a guide for me. Of course, like some guys, they can have more pronounced Adam's apples. Sorry, I haven't done any drawing until just now. And like there's like some stereotypical muscles. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, you asked me to draw women's, not men's. My bad. But I'll just draw like a stereotypical kind of female shape. Woman shapes. Sorry. I don't know, so I typically like drawing girls more, so like I said, I mean, there's all types of women's. You can see. Okay, I'm so sorry that it's typically like size difference and stuff too. Oh my god, I don't know if this is being helpful at all. Also, their arms are more lankier and all that stuff. Oh my god, I am so sorry that they're like, I'm just like lazy on the hands right now. I mean, that could kind of look like a girl's thing. You can increase the size and ratio of the mamas. I'm not gonna do that. Of course, you can see a bigger difference when they have more body fat compared to guys, depending. Sorry, this is so loose in general. But I guess it also depends on the distribution of the body as well, depending. Like, I typically break the body down into simple shapes. I guess, like, you can also look at the hip difference as well. But, yeah. I went with pear for this one. I also say, like, with proportion, hang of them, you can distort them how you like. Okay, goodbye.